Welcome back to JTV. In this video, I will show you how to place a trade step by step in Thinkorswim. Let's get into the video. That's what you want to do. So how do we do it? We're going to come up here to this little taskbar, the search bar, and you can search your favorite company and you're going to search it by its ticker symbol. So we're going to go with USO. And then you'll see right here is USO is United States Oil Fund LP unit EFT, and it's trading for $40.44. So we're gonna click on that. All right. And then I got some little drawings up here. So you can go down here and click on one of these candles and it'll get you at the price. Or if you're on the screen, right click and it'll bring up this taskbar and you go down to buy and it'll bring up this little bar. You can see right here, you can place your order right here and it'll get you into it. And then you can go on and hit send. But what I'm going to do is I want to go to edit to make sure it got it at the price I want it. Because remember, if you click on the chart, then wherever that price you clicked on is wherever it will buy it for you. So we're going to go down here and we're going to make sure our order is correct. We are looking at stocks. We do want to buy. Do we want to buy quantity 100 shares? No, I do not want to buy 100 shares. I'm going to put one in for now. The symbol is USO, which is United States Oil, and this is an ETF. And then the price is set at $78.58. Is that where I want to purchase it at? No way. Because if we look down right here, it is trading at $40.47. So I definitely do not want to buy it at 70. So what I'm going to do, I can either click down here and that'll change the price, or I can actually click right in here and I can put the price at which I want to buy it at. So I want to just say I want to put it at 40. Let's just put it at 39. No, because I want to get in this trade right away. So we're going to put it at, let's put it at 40, 46. So right here, it is at a limit order. So I can change this to a market order, meaning I get in right now, or I can trade it to a limit order, meaning the stop has to hit what I want it to hit before I even get in this trade. So you know what? I'm going to put a market order because I want to get in it to it right now. And this is good for a day. And I want it to be routed through the best exchange. So now that we have went over and we see all of it is correct, our next step is to hit confirm and send. We hit confirm and send, and then we have one more time to go over it to see if everything is correct. So we went over it. We see that this is our buying power that's going to be left. This is a small account, and that it's going to be here. And then we go over all of this, and then we going to hit send. And right there, you see at the top, it said we was filled with 1 share of USO. So that is it. That is how you place your trade in Thinkorswim. And I'm going to show you another way to place your trade as well. If you go up here to trade, you go in the search bar and you put USO right here. And then this right here is USO. And all you have to do is change it. If you want to see Tesla up here, okay, I can say it. Okay, if you want to see Tesla right here, and just say you want to see Walmart right here, let's go down. And you can change these to wherever you want to do the stocks that you're watching on a daily basis, so it's easier for you to do it. So you go right here, make sure you have the quantity that you want, because it's already preset to 100. If you don't want to buy 100, you got to make sure it is correct. So right here, we see it at where we want to do and we want to buy. You would click that. It'll come back up again. It'll already say I just bought one and I was filled, but this is my orders for today. But right here, we'll come right here, and then we can buy another share the same way, check it, and then we can buy another share from here, click and send, and we into another share. So go back out to here. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you learned something for this video. If this was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and put in the comments below other videos that y'all want me to do so that you will be a better and a more profitable trader. Thank you so much for tuning in to Jay's TV.